Hey y'all, it's your girl Keena with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you see it, we are doing the unboxing of the Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest subscription box. I received this box in and I cannot wait to get into it. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we got a new angle going on here today. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. So I just popped open the box. Here is what we're seeing. The top of the lid says leap into excellence with stationery and apparel that reflects who you are. You're a diamond and you deserve to see yourself as the driven, extraordinary, phenomenal woman you are. There's a gold diamond here and it says goldminecoco.com. So let's go ahead and jump into this. At the top, we have our stickers. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let me get into these. Let's get into these because this color scheme, first of all, baby, we here. So we've got some full boxes here. We've got some clear glossy stickers, inbox list, personal home, shopping, meals, meal plan, cleaning, fitness, finances. We've got some notepads here. We got a couple of sisters here in both the light brown and the darker brown complexions. Some out for delivery, some arrows. Here we have what appears to be a one-page kit. Sis got her thigh out because it's thighs out fall. Our full box up here says reset, readjust, refocus, realign as many times as you need to. There needs to be like something down here that says period. Period. Okay? We've got some washi strips down here, some boxes, some date covers, all of that stuff. Another one-page kit, and sis is here for the slay. First of all, from the hair down to the shoes, baby. Okay? And then we've got some more full boxes. It says reminder, expect nothing, appreciate everything. We've got some dolls. Yes, ma'am. I'm here for all these extra dolls and all of that. Y'all, this color scheme is just everything. I don't know how to quite explain this, but it's timely. Okay? Okay. We've got another kit here. We've got some checklists, a circle sticker here with a doll in it, a rectangle one down here, some darker skin dolls, some mini dolls. We've got our friends here in a box, and we are back to the first sheet. So that is the sticker kit. And then we have some transparent stickers here. Let's get this open. So we have 1, 2, 3 sheets of the transparent stickers here. We've got some circles. We've got some hexagons. And we've got some squares. Again, this color scheme, I cannot wait to use this stuff, y'all, immediately. Okay, then we have this weekly planner notepad, and I can definitely see myself using this to get things organized for the week before I start my plan with me's, my budget with me's. I love this. So this will, y'all look for this. Y'all will be seeing that in the near future. Oh my God. Yes, y'all look at this washi. Let me get this open because y'all need to see this. I'm gonna show you something in the plastic. Okay, so we got our washi out. Ooh, y'all. Let me open. I got to unroll this. Look, it won't stay in my hands. It's ready for me to go on ahead and use it. That's what she said, y'all. That's what she said. Okay. Look at that. That gold is just hitting everything, coming across all those colors, hitting. Okay, roll it back up, stop being extra, and just get through the unboxing. So that's the first one, and then we have the second one. If I can find the ending and get it open. Here we go. Okay, so that one has the teal color, the blue, the burgundy, and some gold stripes. So that one's gorgeous as well. Yes. Love the washi. I have become a little bit of a washi head. Let me not say a little bit. Stop playing, girl. Just be quiet. You can't say nothing true. Just be quiet, okay? Okay. let me get into this. Plan your Luxe Life. So, from my understanding, this planner is only going to be made available in this box. I could be 100% wrong, so don't take my word on it, okay? Let's not do that. Don't tell Felicia that Kina over at SweetGemLife said nothing, okay? Now we'll leave the box there and we'll just go over it here. So, this is a daily planner. We have the inside cover that is made for you to use dry erase marker on here or wet erase. I'll check into that. We've got some affirmations here. 2021, 2022 calendars. I can already imagine what I'm going to do with those pages. 22 before 2022. Figure out who you are and be it on purpose. So we've got a monthly layout here. And then we've got our daily pages. So let's see. Okay. So let's see how far we get before a notes. And look ahead for the next month. It's you against you every day. Make sure the right you wins. Okay, and then the next month spread. So we got. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. Okay, y'all got more than enough for the month. More than enough. And our understanding is that this is a 6-month planner. So I really hope Fee makes these available for purchase. Okay, what you trying to do here? So what you trying to do? Okay, thank you. So that is the planner, the daily planner. And last but not least, we have this scarf that everyone has been going bananas over because it's beautiful. The color schemes, it looks super luxurious. I cannot wait to get in here. Let me add it. Oh yeah. Yes. I know I see Felicia Jarrell down here in the corner, baby. Hang on. Let me find it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Here for this. Yes, Fee. You did this box, okay, baby? Yes, ma'am. I'm already thinking about ways I'm going to... Ooh, this scarf. I'm going to need another one of these. So, Fee, let us know if these are going to be made available soon. Because sis going to need another one. Another one. All right, y'all. So, this is the October, excuse me. It is still October. Goldmine CoCo treasure chest sub box. I hope you enjoyed this video because I surely enjoyed unboxing these products and I cannot wait to use them. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is just another way to show that you enjoy my content and that you support the channel. Support your girl. Like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one real soon. Bye.